Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to add a video to a PowerPoint presentation. Adding videos can make your presentation more engaging and dynamic, so let's get started. Step 1. Open PowerPoint. The first step is to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the Microsoft website. Step 2. Create a new presentation or open an existing one. You can either create a new presentation or open an existing one where you want to add the video. Step 3. Select the slide. Now, select the slide in which you want to play video. This time, I have only one slide for demo. You can select any slide to add video. Step 4. Go to Insert tab. After selecting the slide, go to the Insert tab located on the top menu bar. Step 5. Click on Video. Under the Insert tab, you'll find the Video button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Step 6. Choose Online Video or Video on my PC. In the drop-down menu, you have two options, Online Video and Video on my PC. If you want to insert a video from an online source, select Online Video, and you can search for videos from YouTube or other platforms. If you have a video saved on your computer, choose Video on my PC to locate and insert it. Step 7. Insert the video. If you selected Video on my PC, you need to browse your computer's files, locate the video, and click Insert to add it to your slide. Step 8. Adjust the video size and position. Once the video is added to the slide, you can resize and reposition it by clicking and dragging the corners or edges of the video frame. You can also move it to any location on the slide by clicking and dragging it. Now you have learned how to add video in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.